Hey, stop scrolling and listen carefully for a second. Something huge is happening in the crypto market right now. And if you're not paying attention, you're honestly going to miss one of the biggest opportunities of this cycle. Bitcoin is showing signs of a massive breakout, key resistance levels are being smashed, and the entire crypto market, from Ethereum to altcoins, is starting to heat up. Before we dive into the charts and what all this really means for you, make sure you're trading on the right platforms. So, Bitunix, you can trade Bitcoin, ETH, and hundreds of altcoins, 24/7, worldwide. And then there's Mexi. It's one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges, though it's not available for US users. The links are right below this video, so definitely check them out before the next candle closes. Alright, let's jump straight into it, because this isn't just another boring sideways market update. We're actually witnessing Bitcoin break above a critical resistance zone that we've been watching for weeks. The daily close is in, and it's strong. So yeah, this isn't a fake out. This is real momentum. This breakout is also part of a much larger W pattern formation, which is a structure that often signals the start of major bull runs. And based on the measured move, we could actually be targeting levels as high as $140,000 in the next big leg up. We're not there yet, and I want to be clear about that. We haven't broken the previous all-time high just yet, but the fact that we're even approaching that level with this kind of strength is a massive signal that the bulls are back in control. So, here's how I'm playing it. I'm not chasing every candle. Instead, I've been holding and scaling into positions for months, and honestly, it's paying off. Bitcoin is already up significantly, but it's not just BTC. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Tron, and even mid-cap altcoins are showing strong momentum too. Some of my trades are already deep in profit, and this could just be the beginning. Remember though, when we approach previous highs, volatility explodes. We could see sudden wicks above all-time highs, followed by pullbacks. That's why I always recommend trading with discipline and proper risk management. The next key thing I'm watching is how Bitcoin behaves if and when it clears the previous all-time high. If we get a confirmed breakout with volume and structure, we could be in the early stages of a major parabolic rally, the kind that creates millionaires. But this is also where many traders make mistakes. They FOMO in too late, or they over-leverage. Don't do that. Instead, get yourself set up on exchanges that give you the tools, liquidity, and support you need to trade properly. That's why I use and recommend, honestly, Bitunix. It's just perfect if you want to trade crypto anywhere in the world and get exposure to, like, hundreds of tokens. And then there's Mexi, a really powerful altcoin exchange, though it's not available to US users, but it's perfect for traders who want to catch those early stage gems before they explode. All the links you need are below this video. Here's the truth. Most people will watch Bitcoin break out, get excited, and still do nothing. A few people, the smart ones, will take action, set up their accounts, plan their trades, and position themselves before the next move. Ask yourself which one you want to be. Because when Bitcoin is sitting at 140,000 or 180,000, or even beyond, the opportunity you see today will look obvious in hindsight. This is the time to focus, learn, prepare, and most importantly, act. Use the links below to sign up with Bitunix or Mexi, get ready for what's coming, and I'll see you on the other side of this breakout. The crypto market doesn't wait for anyone. This breakout is real. The momentum is here. And the next 6 to 12 months could be the most profitable window we've seen in years. Don't sleep on it. Set up your accounts, get your capital ready, and let's ride this next wave together. Links are below. See you inside.